What's up, guys? So, I don't know why I look so freaking shiny, but today I went and grabbed the Burger King Beyond Sausage McMuffin, muffin, whatever the heck you want to call it. But I'm so excited, my mouth is drooling. It's not even supposed to release worldwide into November the 6th. I got it one day early. I don't know how, but I got it. Stay tuned. Before we get down, you know, with the chowing down and stuff, let me put a little lotion on, cause y'all be roasting me in these comments, bro. Like, I don't know, look, I'm dry skin, you know what I'm saying? I do miss y'all too. Y'all better be ordering the merch from below, the Eatgrass Not Ass merch. Jeez. Yo, cocoa butter don't want to come out. So, I'm in my room today because they're making a whole bunch of noise out in my room. So, I wanted it nice and quiet so you guys can, you know, so we can enjoy this meal together. So when I went to Dunkin, well, first off, I was driving by Dunkin' Donuts. I seen the sign in the window, the sign, you know, the Beyond Sausage sign. I literally hit a U-turn in the middle of the road like, whoa, wait a minute. So I went and grabbed the sandwich. And, well, I went in and it said November 6th. So I said, hey, can I get it now? And they were like, yeah, sure. I was like, bet. I said, I want it with no cheese, no egg. I brought it home. I added some, see if I can get a good shot of that. I added some chow cheese and put it in the microwave. For whatever reason, they gave me 2 sausage patties. I think it's only supposed to be 1, but maybe since I said no egg, they gave me 2. So my mouth is watering because it smells really, really good. So I'm not even going to sit around and waste time like some YouTubers do. We're going to get straight to business. All right, let's see. Oh my God! Wow! Oh my God! The sausage is juicy. Listen, this is really good. I wish they had like a vegan egg paired up with it. So I got like a double cheeseburger, but it's sausage. So it doesn't taste like the Beyond sausage, or it doesn't taste like the Beyond burger. It's more like a, you know, a nice savory sausage, breakfast sausage taste. The chow cheese does it really good. The muffin is nice and soft. It's not all hard. So this is going to be in rotation at least once a week, for sure. I would say add a little jelly. If you're into that, it's a little tad bit dry. I would add jelly to me. I just added the cheese because I was like, yo, I gotta see what it tastes like with a little vegan cheese. And I happen to have some. I don't always have it in the house. This is easily the best vegan sausage I've had so far to date. I've been vegan for almost 3 years now. And this is just absolutely amazing. Dunkin', I want to thank you guys. Beyond, I want to thank you guys. Beyond, first off, listen. You guys need to have this in the store. Like, I should be able to go to the store and get this sausage. That's number 1. Because it's so juicy. Listen, this drops tomorrow nationwide. You better wait in line for this. Ain't no exaggeration, man. This is good. I'm sorry I've been so busy, by the way. I'm working on a good routine to get back every couple days, you know, every 2 days. You know how I do in Veganuary though. We're doing it every day in Veganuary for sure. Thanksgiving's coming up. I still got the dope Thanksgiving video. If you ain't seen it last year, go check it out. I've tried a lot of different foods, trust me, but this is good. The sausage, flavorful, juicy, delicious. I keep wanting to say McMuffin. That's the McDonald's thing. The English muffin is soft. It's so flaky and just soft and delicious. And